on the track.
Let me tell you a little something about me. I'm a boss bitch straight up out the 313. The only thing on my mind is getting rich. I go hard on a nigga and a bitch like run me my money.
Right. And before you go, Cash, can we get like a hot 16 from you? It could be freestyle, it could be written, whatever you want. Just make it hot.
I got a black Chanel bag, but my rollie is gold. Around here we stack up so the money don't fold. I need a man that's about that life. You know, the type that'll keep your neck froze when the weather ain't cold. Cause I can get it on my own. Coops with no tops and VVS stones in my watch. See a chick like me and never look at the price. A bum bitch might just look at it twice, but she ain't me. You can catch me in a 4-door foreign, about 100,000 more than what you're in. Put the gold bottles on ice and start pouring. I'm sorry if I make your little wife look boring. Those are a couple bars for you right there.
What's up? It's the one and only Cash Doll, a urban female. So, you know, I'm with Urban Female Entertainment. One of the flyest bitches on earth. You know what the fuck it is. So make sure you go get my album. Keisha versus Cash Doll.